Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and these slippers from Rockport are not only beautiful, but really cozy.
We don't wear our shoes in the house, but we do have hard floors, so it's nice to have a warm slipper that also has a resistant bottom. As you can hear, it has a nice firm sole, and it also is grippy, so while we're walking, we're not going to have any problem with slipping on the floors. It's keeping my foot from sliding around. It's really nice too, while I'm standing and doing the dishes, to have a nice cushy base for my feet to rest on while I'm walking around or standing for a long period of time. And the inside and the outside are just so plush and beautiful. I really love these.
So if you want a cozy, beautiful slipper for you or your loved ones, these ones from Rockport are the way to go. And that's my point of view.